So here's what I eat in a day on a cleanse week for healing my thyroid. So I start the morning off with a huge glass of lemon water, and then I drink my enormous glass of celery juice. It is huge. Then I move to my breakfast, which is the heavy metal detox smoothie, and that's really good. So I drink that up. And the cleanse I'm doing is out of the book Cleanse to Heal by Anthony William. So I also take my herbs for my thyroid. I take these 3 times a day. And then for snacks on the cleanse, you're allowed to have apples. So I had a couple apples and I ate those in the car because then we had to run some errands. We went to Shields, which was crazy busy with all of the holiday shoppers. Then my kids and husband were hungry, so we went and got some vegan sandwiches, and I had to sit there and watch them eat their delicious sandwiches. It is torture. I don't recommend it. So after that, we went home and I was able to make my lunch smoothie. You can have some salads and some soups, but this was easier for me. So I always do the smoothie because I like things to be quick. Then a little later, I had some more snack, which is some more apples. And then we decided to take the kids ice skating, which is always fun. There's my cutie pie daughter and my handsome husband. And then for dinner, I had the huge salad that's on the cleanse, and you just cover it with orange juice, and it's really big. You can have as much salad as you want. And then you're supposed to end the day with hibiscus tea, and then I had some more dates and apples, and that's it.